Do you see the monsoon?
Oh my gosh.
So today, there's a lot going on. Hey, Kaylin.
Hey, Kaylin, I love your skirt. Thanks.
Why are you wearing this towel skirt?
Well, the thing is, the boys weren't here, and so Lydia and I did the honorable thing of unloading everything for them from
What's
a semi. A huge semi, the 16 or 18 wheels, whatever they have. This is my second shirt today.
And she's not wearing any shoes.
All
Because
because
Marius
Marius
asked them.
I did not.
Yeah, you did.
Very simple
You
instruction.
did. You
What's
said
that?
put it on the back of the box truck, but you didn't know.
No, I said it would be easiest to put it in there. If the guy's still there, you can have him go in
That
there.
wasn't the text. Just spell it out.
Okay, we're waiting to verify the text that came from Marius.
Oh wait, no, it's
Sometimes not the best communicator because he
He's
blames
German.
it on being German.
Hey, yay! Box truck, please.
Oh.
Say what?
Hey,
Hey, yay, box truck, please.
Okay, it's a question. You want the rest of the stuff in the box truck or just in the back kitchen? If you're asking me, I'm telling you where I want
Do
it.
you see the monsoon?
You probably won't.
Then you don't say.
Oh, you can see it.
You just say.
That's
oh,
the water running.
I back up to the loading dock, accidentally hit something because the mirrors on that thing don't change. And I'm like looking out the window, so head's getting wet. And then I hit something, I'm like, oh my god.
No, your head's getting wet?
Oh yeah,
No way.
it was leaking. And then I'm able to straighten it out, and then we have to get the thing down. Lydia comes out with the cart. She starts getting soaked. We pass the boxes along. I kind of may have just shoved some with my foot.
With or without shoes?
With? Yeah, did you have
All things
shoes
are
on?
possible. I did have shoes on.
And then she comes in and starts taking care of the leak that's happening from the ceiling.
Oh,
It's literally
oh no.
rolling.
That can't be safe.
All in the day's work right here. Don't want the team slipping.
John,
Did you hear me? Not.
how do you not have a drip of water on you?
I know. He just
What's your secret?
Huh?
What's your secret?
It's Pastor John. You dodge all the.
You are pretty fast. Have you ever seen that TikTok video of you running?
And so like all of the water in our vehicle literally just comes in the passenger seat. So I was sitting in the back. So
Why
So
didn't she go
you're
in the back?
good.
Huh?
Who was in the
But
back?
someone didn't sit in the
Jackie?
back.
but Jackie didn't get that
Did you
week.
go in the back?
It was time till we got in the car.
And then it was like a river on the seat.
Where, in the mobile truck?
Yeah. Just in my seat. It's totally fine.
No one else's seat.
Told you because
People are getting new shirts.
She's worried about new pants.
we need
We need a full Dream Center uniform.
Yeah, we need.
We gotta get this on video. We gotta get our roof leak on the
We did.
donor out there. I need you to donate a lot of money for our new roof.
Let's go to LBA and show them the light. Everyone, look at everyone coming. Don't let it slide. Oh, the lights are off. I don't know if we're gonna get this on camera. There's empty buckets. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so good.
Oh,
My God. It's like, you're soaking wet.
I'm in water. Come look at this one, ladies. Okay, examine this ceiling tile.
Multiple buckets.
Examine this ceiling tile right
oh yeah. Oh my gosh.
Very dangerous zone.
Uh,
here. It's gonna fall out at some point.
Where is Tyler when we need him?